Boy, I'm gonna take you to the best swimming hole you ever did see. Oh yeah, it's right down over here. Yes sir. Back when I was a boy, this whole place was rolling fields of grass. There wasn't a road. Now look at this. Look at this road. Right by it, but don't worry. It's right over here. Come on, boy, it's right down here. Oh boy, you're gonna love it. Come on. You maniacs! You blew it up! Damn you! Damn you to hell! Well, isn't that the story? We find nature in its pure form, and we try to share the land, carving out our homes and places to commute to and from. And then by some force, I know not which, the land is dominated and nature retreats. This is part 3 and the conclusion of the domination of man. Let's join in. Well, you know, my name is Gregory, and a lot to do. Drawings and paintings and cooking and music and tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Hey everyone! Let's just take care of the earth and not cede dominion to the damn dirty apes. Hashtag humanity first.
Take your stinking paws off me, you damn dirty ape!
As mentioned before, I should just start with tape. It would save time. But I like having something to look at. And I really super don't like white canvas. So I throw color up and worry about the straight lines later. I do it fully knowing I'm going to repaint the area and tighten it up again later. Which doesn't suck nearly as much since I know it's going to happen. It only sucks when you have to repaint things when you blow it. Ah, yes, the rock. The rock is important because it is one of the few items found in all 3 paintings. It's also pretty dang symbolic.
What the rock is cooking!
For thousands of years, the rock has sat in its place, undisturbed, until man comes in, and then even the rock has to change to accommodate humans. I tried to make the rock the same size and color in the first 2 paintings, but in this one, I wanted to show it differently for the stated reasons. Alright. Honestly, the fences were irritating, so I used an old credit card to get the straightest lines possible. But that didn't work out so hot, so as mentioned, I switched to the brush. Okay, so in the first 2 paintings, the big tree was lush and full. In this painting, it is just a trunk, and it's all by itself. The illusion of nature. I thought it would be fun to make a pool where the river once ran. That was tough. Where the river once ran. I thought it was very fitting. Man replacing something from nature, and how it just isn't the same. I remember going to the old swimming hole, especially when the current was running high. Woo! It was amazing. I like pools too. Well, I used to, until I realized how many sick bastards pee in the damn pool. Have you guys heard about that? It's crazy. Pools are disgusting. You're sick. Stop peeing.
Fuck us.
Thank you. Anyway, the whole idea of human replace nature seemed compelling, so I threw it in. And just in case you didn't notice, I'm giving the water the reflection of the old forest. The water remembers. Nature remembers. Pepperidge Farm remembers. Now this part is the final FU, I reckon. A drain ditch is the last remnants of the once mighty river. The cooling streams of rushing water replaced with a stagnant chemical-laced pool of pee. Damn it, why do people pee in the pool?
That's nasty!
The other 2 paintings featured nature and then men surrounded by nature. Now, nature is surrounded by man. Quite the juxtaposition. If you ask me, you didn't, but I'm telling you. Anyway, you guys, I didn't even want to mess around with this front-facing fence. Tape all the way around, first time, no messing around. I like to learn from my mistakes, you know? You haven't learned anything. You've done it since. You're gonna do it again. Yikes! Everyone's a critic. Oh well. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put spikes on them there fence posts. And you know what? I think we're done. Thanks for hanging out, guys. See you next time.